Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm telling you how to take scrolling screenshots with CleanShot X. So guys, to start, just open up any website, document or app window you want to capture. By default, you can instantly initialize the scrolling screenshot engine by pressing Command-Shift-7 on your Mac keyboard. Also, as you can see, as this article says, you can also hit the up and, well, whatever this is, okay, on the keyboard on your Mac in order to initialize the capturing of a scrolling screenshot. So once activated, your mouse cursor shifts into a target crosshair. You can just left click and drag a custom bounding box selection entirely around the specific scrolling view pane or window frame. And now you're ready to capture the rest of your page layouts. The cleanest way to do so is to let CleanShot do the work by clicking the Auto Scroll button on the small utility overlay menu. The software engine will automatically scroll through your active page view, scan your content lines, and capture the exact layers. The app also will immediately process the image frames, stitch them together into an unblurred, high-resolution vertical graphic file, and display it as a floating preview thumbnail in your lower left quick access overlay. And you can just save it, of course, into your storage. Thanks for watching this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.